Prepare the shower or tub by removing everything from the space and rinsing away loose debris so the surfaces are ready for a deep clean. Start by taking out all bottles, loofahs, razors, and mats and place them on a towel nearby to keep the floor dry. Use a cup or small bucket to pour warm water over walls and floor to flush out loose hair, soap scum, and grit. Pay special attention to corners and the drain area so particles do not get trapped once you start scrubbing. If you have hard water spots, spray a mild vinegar solution and let it sit while you ventilate the room to break down mineral buildup without scrubbing aggressively. Open a window or turn on the bathroom fan to remove fumes and speed drying, which will reduce mold risk. If ventilation is limited, use a low odor cleaner and wear gloves. For mildew at grout lines, apply a paste of baking soda and water. Scrub with a grout brush or an old toothbrush using short strokes along the grout line, then rinse thoroughly. Finally, remove any loose caulk or damaged sealant with a flat tool before cleaning so you do not trap moisture and to prepare for resealing if needed. Common mistakes include starting to spray cleaners over clutter, which hides grime and wastes product. So clear the area first and work methodically from top to bottom. People often skip ventilation, which allows fumes to concentrate, and slows drying. Open a window or run the fan and take breaks if needed. Another issue is using abrasive tools on delicate finishes that cause scratches. Use soft scrubbers or microfiber cloths on acrylic or enamel and reserve stronger pads for tile only. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find and connect with local contractors for bathroom work and cleaning projects, while we also help contractors find new jobs and clients. We host a community discussion area where our members share tips, ask questions, and trade contractor recommendations.